Hey everyone, Felicia with Ford in Crivitz bringing you the car dealer today. Today I have a one-of-a-kind. I drive one. It is going to be a 2022 Ford Bronco Sport. I love mine, and everybody that I have sold one so far loves theirs. It is going to be a four-wheel drive vehicle. It is sporty. It is fun. Let's check it out. Like I said, it is a 2022 Ford Bronco Sport. This is going to be the Outer Banks trim level. It is going to be that gorgeous white. There is some towing. One of my favorite features is you can open the glass and just easy access into the back. But of course you can open the door fully. Beautiful navy interior. Let's take a jump in the front. Now this one does come with 3 months of Sirius XM. Does have heated seats, heated steering wheel. So if you're like me, I love to have a warm car, dual climate. It does have GOAT modes, go all over terrain. Will have lane keeping assist. Does have power seats. And like I said, I personally drive one and I absolutely love mine. So if you'd like to be like me and drive a new Bronco Sport, give me a call. Felicia with Ford in Crivitz today, 715-854-7404. Talk to you soon.